Hey CRX lovers, enthusiasts, CRX Evolution here. Today I'm going to bring you a little comparison video. I'm going to compare the 8889 to 9091 wiper motor headlight switch. If you're looking for your correct one, well, you could tell the difference with this video because you could swap them. You may have to change a couple things, but you could swap them. Okay, the first difference right here, I don't have my 88 SI one right now. It's in the car. I don't know if it has the, yeah, it has to have the rear wiper arm too. This might be HF. It doesn't have the wiper blade on in the rear. It doesn't bring wiper blade, so you just have the front ones and the mist. Here you have the only difference is that, and these are entirely different too. The grooves change. This has grooves all around. This one doesn't, and this is way more pronounced. Then, like I said, you could swap the, there you go, a little better. You could swap that. The hazard, you could swap. It has the space on it. Let me turn it around. It has a space for it. You could swap it. If you have this one, switches is the same. The only thing here, this is a plug, but this actually doesn't have anything like this one. It has the cables. That's why I think it must be HF. That has to be HF, but it's still 8889. That's the important part in this video. So you see, the plugs are the same in the rear. And the other side, same thing with the grooves. And it's a lot more pronounced. Well, there you go. You got the difference in the levers, even though the light ones you could swap is the same, but it's just the design of it is different. 88, 89 top, 90, 91 bottom. Hazard switch. You could swap from one to the other. And then you have the wiper motors. This is the rear, and the 88 should be the same. This is HF. It doesn't have the rear wiper arm, so there you go. I hope this helps somebody out. If you're looking for your correct area specific parts, this could help you out. Thanks for watching.